managers of our all 12 teams, and our match commissioner. We are here all to kick off our inter PSU football championship. It's a celebration of synergy, sportsmanship, and football carnival. आपको पता है आजकल गोवा में कार्निवल है, so we are also celebrating along with that football carnival. The Airports Authority of India is again proud to announce the commencement of this football tournament. It's a premium sporting event designed to foster camaraderie, health, and team spirit among India's leading public sector undertakings. Here in the tournament, we'll see 12 of the powerful PSU teams competing over here for the week for the prestigious trophy. This initiative underscores AI's commitment to promoting a robust sports culture within the corporate public sector and providing a platform for employees to showcase their athletic excellence. We have our 12 teams of PSU, like it is the Airport Authority of India, Reserve Bank of India, Coal India Limited, Computer and Auditor General, Oil India Limited, NLC India Limited, Employees State Insurance Corporation, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, Food Corporation of India, Steel Authority of India, Employees Provident Fund Organization. So these 12 professional teams are here, and we will be looking forward for a very energetic time ahead in both of the stadiums. The format of the match is league cum knockout format, ensuring high stakes action and maximum engagement. Beyond the scoreboard, the event aims to strengthen the inter-organizational bonds and promote fit India lifestyle among our workforce. Like I said, Team India beyond the office. At AI, we believe that the spirit of collaboration seen on the football pitch translates directly into professional excellence. The tournament isn't just about goals, it's about synergy, resilience, and mutual respect that define our public sector community. It is the big football event during our Goa Carnival. The schedule and the timing, venue are like it is kicking off from 14th to 19th February at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, Rosary Ground Stadium, Nevillium. And today we are having the managers meet where we are all here. We will be unveiling the trophies also. And the chief guest for this tournament is our Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri Vipin Kumar IS. About our own organization, the Airport Authority of India is a mini Ratan company, category 1 public sector enterprise. It is responsible for creating, upgrading and maintaining and managing civil aviation infrastructure in India through its various corporate schemes, employee welfare initiatives, and AI continues to be a leader in community and sports development.